Hi there, welcome to BloggersPassion video series. Today, we are going to talk about an exclusive hosting a coupon code where you'll get maximum discount. Hostinger is one of the best web hosts in the world that offers reliable hosting services at extremely affordable prices. Hostinger is currently running a 78% instant discount on their web hosting plans, where you will get a free domain. And if you are hosted somewhere else, you can migrate your existing site to Hostinger for free. And it's fully managed web hosting service where you will get 24 by 7 customer support along with 30-day money back guarantee. So in case if you're not happy with their hosting plans or services, you can get a full refund of your money. And Hostinger is one of the most trusted web hosts. You can use platforms like Trustpilot, where the hosting site got like over 69,000 reviews from the real users. Let's now talk about how you'll get the maximum discount on hosting. First, go to the link which is mentioned in the video description, and you will land on a page that looks something like this. Once you're on the page, scroll down a bit, simply click on the first call to action with the code blog with BP. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to Hostinger's exclusive offer page where you will get up to 78% off web hosting on their hosting plans. And you don't need to even apply the coupon code, which is blog with PP, as it's already applied. You can pick any plan according to your budget and website needs. If you are looking for a cheaper option, if you are just getting started as a beginner, and if you are intended to run only one website or domain, then I would recommend you go with the single plan where you will get 84% instant discount and it will only cost you 62 rupees per month. But if you're someone like me, who want to manage multiple websites, then you can go with the premium options, which will cost you 134 rupees, where you will get 48 months of hosting for just 6,436 rupees. And you can create up to 3 websites where you will also get 20 GB of storage for your files. To get started, simply click on the choose plan button and it will take you to the cart. As you can see in the cart, the 48 months premium plan only costs you 7,595 rupees. The coupon is already applied. The 7,595 rupees is including the 18% taxes. So for 4 years, you'll be getting a premium plan with a free domain and 2 free mailboxes and everything you need. What are you waiting for? Just click the link mentioned in the video description and get started with Hostinger today. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.